Well, hello there, friends. Welcome to the BrushFalls Studio YouTube channel. I'm Larry, the painting guy, and I'm going to be painting for you today. We are going to be pouring over some silicone cupcake molds. We're going to stretch it out. We're going to have a lot of fun. I've got a 16 by 20 canvas and 6 paints all matched up. I'll put up the colors in the box on the screen, and we're going to start this adventure right now. So what I really love about this painting is the color grades and the way they mixed and blended and swirled around. We're starting to get some cell reactions coming. I can see there's going to be a lot of them forming. This is going to be another one that's going to be very fun to see the dry results. I think adding the black as a layer in the cup, it put some negative space into it. The black mix really allowed the colors to pop. I'm going to say thanks for coming by to watch. Leave me a comment on this painting or any of our paintings for that matter. And then like and subscribe to our channel. That really helps us out a lot. We're a small channel yet and we're trying to grow. And just that little bit makes a big difference. With that, I'm going to say bye and have a great day.